So in the lesson yesterday you were working on or introduced to types of angles, and then you had to work through this quiz to check up on your knowledge of that. So you first of all here been asked which of these diagrams could be an accurate drawing of 80 degrees. So from the lesson you should be aware that an angle of what an angle of 90 degrees would look like. So an angle of 90 degrees would be your square corner, so something like that. So when you're looking for something where it's 80 degrees, then it's going to just be a little bit less than that. So the one that we should have been choosing here, right, was in fact this one. Clearly A is much less than your 90 degrees. This one here clearly is a bit bigger than 90, and then this one here is definitely much bigger than a 90 degree angle. So the one you should have chosen was angle B. For question 2, you're estimating the size of that. If you're aware of what a straight angle, the size of a straight angle is, and know that you've got 180 degrees would be how many are the degrees in a straight angle. So this bit here, so clearly this, because the line is up at either end there, you've got a wee bit more than your 180. Therefore it's clearly not 100, it's clearly not 180, and I think you can tell that it's not as big as 300. So the one you should have been opting for would have been the 200 degrees. This is just definitions, and if you watch the video then you should be aware of this. An obtuse angle is bigger than 90 but less than 180, therefore it is this angle here is between 90 and 180 degrees. This type of angle here is a very large angle, much bigger than a straight angle, and that is referred to as a reflex angle. When you've got two lines situated like that, it does create two angles. The smaller one in there clearly an obtuse angle, but this big one round the outside is your reflex angle. And the last one, what type of angle is this? So that's clearly an angle less than 90 degrees or less than your right angle, therefore you'd be looking for that to be the acute angle.